Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another fantastic video. Guys, in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to invest your money in mutual funds. Now, if you don't know what mutual fund is, if you want to know exactly what it is and how you can also make money by investing your money in mutual funds, then watch this video to the end, because by the end of this video you're going to find out all the information you need about mutual funds and how you can invest money in mutual funds and also make money investing money in mutual funds. So without wasting your time, I'm going to dive straight into my laptop screen now to show you exactly everything you need to know about mutual funds. So here is my account here. This is Cowrywise, and if I refresh this account right now, you're going to see that the amount doesn't change. So I have actually put some money into mutual funds on this platform. So I'm actually waiting for it to load up so that I'm going to show you exactly that this is actually something that I've been doing, not something that I just want to bring to you. So as you can see here, this is over 2 million naira I have on this platform, and I want to show you exactly how this is done. So this is money that would have sit in my account doing nothing, but I've decided to actually invest it right here on this platform using Cowrywise. Okay, so Cowrywise is that app where you can invest your money, save money, and a whole lot of other stuff they offer. But like I said, in today's video, just want to talk about their mutual fund and their investment stuff and the likes. Okay, so if you come to this invest section right here on the app, you're gonna see that this is Niara mutual funds. Okay, so if you click on that, you're going to find out that they have so many types of mutual funds. Okay, so I've actually invested on two, I think three or two. Yeah, so we have two here. I put 1.3 here, and I just used 5k to test out this aggressive investment. Okay, so one thing you need to know is that I'm not a financial advisor. I just share with you what I think that might help, because I'm actually doing it myself and it's actually going well. So I mean, if you can try it out and see if it works for you, no problem. So if I click on this, actually this is the balanced mutual fund. If I click on it, so let me click on it. Yes, so if I click on it right now, you're going to find out that you see here I've this quarter, I think in the last 3 months, I've earned a total of 33,000 naira investing just by doing nothing. Like, I just put this money here and left it. This money will have easily sit in my account doing nothing, but I just put it here to see exactly how it goes. And you can see in the quarter, I mean within 3 months, this month is not ended yet. I've made 33,000 naira. Okay, so this is like money for something else. So you see, so this is exactly what I want to talk about mutual fund. Now, if you don't know much about mutual fund, like I said, a quick Google search. So let's just quickly search mutual fund, so you see exactly what it is, and from there you can also get more information. As you can see, it says a mutual fund is a company that pools money from many investors and invests the money in securities such as stocks, bonds, and short-term debt. So, like for example, if you want to go, if you want to invest the money, you don't want to go to stocks. They have different types of stock you can buy and invest the money. You don't want to go through all those risky stuff. You can easily go through mutual funds. Through these mutual funds, you can earn returns, and you can also earn some other dividends. Okay, so right here in Cowrywise, they offer different types of mutual funds. We have the balanced, we have the aggressive, we have the conservative. So this is the conservative one. When you create your account and want to actually try to start investing, they are going to show you all of this stuff, and you can do more detail. You need to like do more research and know exactly the difference between all of them, and decide on would you want to put your money in. So the one I just put my money in is conservative, where my capital is guaranteed and I can earn some returns here and there. So I also tried out the aggressive, where you can actually lose your capital, and you can actually make money. So as you can see here, this has been the spike. Sometimes it goes down, sometimes it comes up, and it has remained steady here. And so far so good. I've gotten 15% increase gain on this little 5k, and as you can see the profit here. But this is just like testing it out. And if you want to go through all of this mutual fund of a thing, I will advise you, if you have some money in your account that you're not using at the moment, or you are going to use in some few years, you are not sure yet or something, you can put the money right here on Cowrywise and invest on mutual funds. Okay, like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. This is something I've been doing, or I did. It worked for me, and I said let me share with you guys and see if it's actually going to work for you. So this is what I have for you guys today. If you like the video, subscribe. If you like the video as well, turn on the bell notification icon and give this video a thumbs up. It is actually going to help the video reach more people. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you very much, and keep investing, keep making money, and stay blessed. Okay, so I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank you very much.